Good morning, dear children. Today we will discuss the preparation of aldehyde only. Okay. So in previous class we have discussed the preparation of aldehyde and ketones both combinedly. But today we will discuss the preparation of only aldehyde. So preparation of aldehydes. So this is your first, that is your Roentgen-Mond reduction, that is from acyl chloride or acid chloride, that is Roentgen-Mond reduction, it is from acid chloride. This is the first preparation of aldehyde. Then second, from nitriles and ester. Second is here from nitriles and esters. This is your Roentgen-Mond reduction or from acid chloride. Then second one is from nitrile ester. This is the first from nitrile only. That is Stephen reaction. Stephen reduction reaction. That is nitrile part. Okay. Then second one is your reaction with dibal. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride, dibal. That is in presence of dibal. That is, you can write it is aluminium hydride diisobutyl equal to or dibal H. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Same. This is symbolical. This is your formula. You can write but or but equal to butyl. This is also nitride. Okay. Then third, that is with the second part, ester, from ester. There is also in presence of aluminium hydride isobutyl equal to. You see children, this is aluminium is your 3 plus, H minus, here is 2 minus, isobutyl, one isobutyl 1 minus, another isobutyl 1 minus, so total 3 minus, aluminium having the valency 3 plus. So aluminium is metal, alkali is here. These are hydrocarbon, that is negative part, hydrogen is negative, with metal hydrogen is negative, with a non-metal hydrogen is positive. So these are the 3 steps. Okay. Then next one is your from hydrocarbon. So from hydrocarbon, again there is divided into 3 steps. First one is your methoxy, oxidation of methyl benzene, it is 2 types. Second, then third, from hydrocarbon. First, so from hydrocarbon, first is your from chromyl chloride. Okay, first is your chromyl chloride, then second is your from chromic oxide. Okay, chromyl chloride. Then second, chromic oxide. Hydrocarbon oxidation. This is your oxidation part. Okay, these two. Next one is your from hydrocarbon, that is your chlorination. Okay, that is a that is a chlorination side chain chlorination, that is your methane when treated with chlorine that is initiation, propagation and termination steps like this. So it is aromatic, that is chain chlorination, fourth, okay, chain chlorination, that is a methyl benzene. Then fifth, again from hydrocarbon, that is your from benzene, that is your Gattermann-Koch. Fifth, Gattermann-Koch synthesis. So Gattermann-Koch, but children, first one, chromyl chloride. From chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2. Chromyl chloride, that reaction is known as Itard reaction. This reaction is known as Itard reaction. Okay, from chromyl chloride. Then we will discuss one after another. First we will discuss the Rosenmund reduction. Okay. So when this is your Rosenmund, step 1, when acid chloride is treated with hydrogen gas in presence of PdBSO4, palladium barium sulfate catalyst, palladium is your promoter, then it will form benzaldehyde, that is CHO, okay, benzaldehyde, aldehyde. So this is the first Rosenmund reduction. Then second one, is here from nitriles and ester. Okay, from nitriles and ester. First one is the Stephen reaction from nitrile. Okay, so when nitrile, you know that is the formula of nitrile is your RCN. When nitrile is treated with the stannous chloride, that is SnCl2 in presence of HCl, okay, to form, that is one compound intermediate. When it is followed by the hydrolysis, that is in presence of acid, water in presence of acid, H3O plus, okay, so it followed by the hydrolysis to form aldehyde. You see this one. Second, from nitrile, okay, suppose any height, that is nitrile R C triple bond N plus SnCl2 plus HCl in presence of HCl, SnCl2 HCl RCl, when treated, it will form an intermediate. That intermediate is known as imine. You carefully remember the formula of imine. Again, in the next properties of aldehyde and ketones, we will again discuss the structure of imine. Okay, that is a reaction of carbonyl group with ammonia derivatives. Okay, then R C 1H double bond NH. This is your imine intermediate. When it is hydrolyzed or followed by the hydrolysis, it will form RCHO, and byproduct is your ammonia. This is your aldehyde. Then next is your, this is your from nitrite, alkyl nitrite. This one is your alkyl nitrite. This is your nitrite. Then next one is your, which one? Dival. Nitride with dival. This is your first bit. This is your second subbit. That is when alkyl nitride. Suppose you can take any example, or we will take the RCl. Okay, when RC triple bond N is treated with which one? Dival. That is aluminum hydride isobutyl 2, or dival. Diisobutyl aluminum. This is your aluminum hydride. This is aluminum hydride diisobutyl. Okay, aluminum hydride. It will form again. It will form imine. Okay, same RCH double bond NH. Okay, then when again it is followed by the hydrolysis, that is H2O, H plus, to form RCH. Similarly, R may be any type of hydrocarbon. It may be contain double bond or triple bond or single bond, etc. Okay, so next, the third one, from ester. It is also treated with the divalve. Okay. So from ester. So we can take any example of ester. So that is RC double bond O R S in presence of divalve. Suppose again followed by the hydrolysis. Okay, that is N H I B U equal to, and followed by the hydrolysis, it will form R C double bond H. Okay, so these are all about the preparation of, that is your aldehyde, that is aromatic, aliphatic, all are mixed, but all are aldehyde, preparation of aldehyde. Rosenmund, from nitride, there is an essential to this reaction is known as Stephen reaction. This reaction is known as Stephen reaction. Already I have written here Stephen reaction. Okay, previously I have written. This is Stephen reaction, and again with a divalve, that is from alkyl nitride to this one is your imine. Okay, this part, this compound, imine. Here also formation of imine takes place. So followed by the hydrolysis, that is your ester, divalve, hydrolysis, aldehyde. So these are all about the from nitrile and ester. Then next bit is your from hydrocarbon, that is your ether reaction. Next bit is your ether reaction. Within one bit, third bit from hydrocarbon. First, ether reaction. That is chromyl chloride in presence of chromyl chloride. Okay, so when methyl benzene is treated with chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2, when methyl benzene, what is the methyl benzene? You know that methyl benzene is your toluene. Okay, so you can take toluene. In the top or the side chain, you can write the CH3. Here we will substitute the groups, so we will write in the side. Okay, CrO2Cl2, CrO2Cl2. This is your chromyl chloride to form one intermediate, that is benzene CHOCrOH. Benzene CHOCrOH. Benzene CHOCrOH. There is Cl2. Okay, you write this Cl2. Then it is Hol2. It is an intermediate. It is a complex. It will form, then followed by the hydrolysis, H3O plus, to form benzaldehyde. This is your ether reaction. You have to remember CrO2, OO, Okay, Cl2, Cl2, H, H, H2, whole 2, 2H, H, H, whole 2. So 3H, 3H, Cr, CrO2, that is, we'll add here 2. So 2 Cr, 2, 2, 4, Cl2. Okay, children, just we have to add all this in here, then we will get this complex. Okay, just we have to add this one in CH3. Then next is here, which one? This one over retard reaction. That next is your chromic oxide, oxidation of hydrocarbon, that is your methyl benzene. Okay, then chromic oxide, that is from chromic oxide. That is from chromic oxide. When methyl benzene is treated with chromic oxide, that is, you know, that is a CrO3. In previously we have taught, we have read in that is a oxidation. Okay, oxidation of alcohol to form aldehyde, that is mild oxidizing agent CrO3 and PCC. Okay, so that is known as chromic oxide. Chromic oxide in presence of acid anhydride. In presence of acid anhydride. Okay. So this one is your methyl benzene plus chromic oxide CrO3 plus acid anhydride. Acid anhydride formula you can write in R, or you can write in CH3 CO whole 2O. Acid anhydride, it will be similar type, previous type in one complex. It will be also intermediate. Benzene CSO CH3, benzene CHO CH3 whole 2, similar type, CH3 whole 2, and it is followed by the hydrolysis, again same, followed by the hydrolysis H3 plus to form benzyl group. Okay, so this is the from chromic oxide, that is a retard reaction from chromyl chloride. This is the formula of chromyl chloride, this is the chromic. Okay, and you can write also the temperature. Temperature you can write 273 to 283 Kelvin. 273 to 283 Kelvin. Okay. Okay. So these are all about the problem. Then next is your side chain chlorination. Yes. Okay. So next one is here. Fourth. This is also from hydrocarbon. Okay, from toluene, but not oxidation. So it is categorized in another point. That is your fourth point by side chain chlorination. You know side chain chlorination. Okay. When toluene is treated with chlorine or halogen in presence of light, that is UV light. Okay. To form one derivative, that is with benzyl dihide. Okay, or benzyl chloride, that is benzene CHCl2 plus Cl2 in presence of HU, or you can write here sunlight. Okay, to form benzyl chloride CHCl2. This is your benzyl chloride. Then again it will followed by the hydrolysis. After formation of benzyl chloride, it will followed by the hydrolysis. Okay, to form benzyl dihide. All the chemical reactions are followed by the hydrolysis. Okay, to form benzyl dihide. This is another preparation. That is side chain chlorination. Side chain. Okay, this is the side chain and addition of chlorine. So that is known as side chain chlorination. Okay. Next, last was that is your Betterman course. Betterman course reaction. So Getterman-Koch reaction, when benzene is treated with carbon monoxide in presence of HCl and acid anhydride or CuCl, cuprous chloride, or AlCl3 to form benzaldehyde. So when benzene is treated with carbon monoxide in presence of HCl, okay, then anhydrous aluminum chloride or CuCl to form benzaldehyde. You have to remember this one is a CO, here is H. Okay, so H and CO it will be added to form CHO, benzaldehyde. So these are all about the preparation of aldehyde. Okay, only the preparation of aldehyde, it is most important. All reactions are important, so you have to go through the book and go through the notes that given, and you go through the explanation. Okay, then you can easily understood. So these are the most 5 steps of preparation. Ita reaction, the name reaction, Rosenmund, Stephen, Ita, and Getterman-Koch. There is 4 name reaction in this video, in this part. First one is Rosenmund, second one is Stephen, third one is that is Ita, and fourth one is Getterman. Okay, so you go through this video, then next class we will discuss the preparation of ketones only. Okay children, so thank you.